In this video, I'm going to explain to you exactly how to use the Hyatt Friends and Family discount. So to be able to use this discount, then what you're going to do firstly is to go and contact either your friend or the family that currently works for Hyatt, and they're the ones that can help you to actually, because they have to basically from their own end, they have to go to their own internal system and create this discount for you. So you need to ask them firstly to create this discount for you, and then what will happen is that you will either get a promo code from directly from them, or you will be able to get a link from them. But if you are unsure in how you can actually use it, then what you're going to do is to just contact that specific Hyatt hotel that you want to be able to book, and they will be able to help you exactly what you need to do, and they will be able to basically help you with everything that you need. So the first step is going to be for you to just contact your friend. The friend or family is going to then create from their internal system, they're going to create that discount for you, and then you're either going to get a promo code or you're going to get a link that you can use, and then all of the discounted rates will come after that. So that is basically exactly how to use the Hyatt Friends and Family discount.